Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Ready to master your morning makeup routine in just 10 minutes? Whether you're rushing to work, school, or just want a quick refresh, I've got you covered. Let's dive right in and I'll show you how to get that flawless look, effortlessly. First up, skincare. This is the foundation of any great makeup look. Start with a clean, moisturized face. This ensures your makeup goes on smoothly and lasts longer. I love using a lightweight moisturizer because it hydrates without feeling greasy. It's perfect for all skin types and keeps your skin looking fresh. Don't forget your SPF, it's non-negotiable even on cloudy days. Protecting your skin from UV rays is crucial for long-term skin health. Now let's move to the base. This step is all about creating a smooth canvas for the rest of your makeup. A BB cream or tinted moisturizer is perfect for a quick, natural look. It evens out your skin tone without feeling heavy. Just dab it on and blend with your fingers or a damp beauty sponge. This method is quick and gives a seamless finish. This gives you a smooth, even complexion without looking too heavy. Next, concealer. This is your secret weapon for a flawless look. Swipe it under your eyes, around your nose, and on any blemishes. Blend, blend, blend. This brightens your face and hides imperfections. Remember, blending is key to a seamless finish. Take your time to ensure everything is well blended. Time to set everything in place. This step ensures your makeup stays put all day. A light dusting of translucent powder will keep shine at bay and lock your base in for the day. It's especially great for oily skin. Just a quick sweep with a fluffy brush will do the trick. Now let's add some color to your face. Blush is a great way to bring life to your face. A soft blush on the apples of your cheeks gives you a fresh, awake look. It adds a healthy glow to your complexion. I'm loving peachy tones lately. They're super flattering on all skin tones. They give a natural, sun-kissed look. Brows, don't skip them. They frame your face and can change your entire look. Just a few quick strokes with a brow pencil or a tinted brow gel can make a world of difference. It defines and shapes your brows. Follow your natural shape and blend with a spoolie for a natural look. Eyes, let's make them pop. For a quick eye look, I go for a neutral eyeshadow. It's versatile and easy to apply. Sweep a light shade across your lid and a slightly darker shade in the crease. This adds depth and dimension to your eyes. Blend well, it only takes a couple of minutes. Mascara is a must. It completes the eye look. A few coats will open up your eyes and make you look instantly more awake. It's like a magic wand for your lashes. Wiggle the wand from root to tip to get maximum volume and length. Finally, lips. Let's finish off with a pop of color. A tinted lip balm or a nude lipstick is perfect for a quick, polished look. It adds a touch of color without being too bold. It adds a touch of color and ties the whole look together. And there you have it. A complete, flawless makeup look in just 10 minutes. Perfect for any occasion. Remember, makeup is all about enhancing your natural beauty and having fun. Experiment with different products and techniques to find what works best for you. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found these tips helpful and subscribe for more beauty content. You got this. Stay beautiful inside and out. Stay beautiful inside and out. Bye. See you in the next video.